Good morning, students. In the last class, we have seen how to pass a journal entry. Okay, one more problem we will take. The problem is journalize the following transactions in the books of Narendra General Store 2019 April 1. Now this journal is from the year 2019 और month कौन सा है April. First transaction is Narendra commenced business with cash rupees 80,000. On third, purchase goods from Kiran rupees 40,000 on credit. Next is what? Paid rent 2,000. Then on 10th of April it is sold goods to Mr. Vikas rupees 55,000 on credit. उसके बाद purchase furniture of rupees 30,000 at GST 18%. So here you all have to calculate 18% GST on 30,000, and after you calculate GST of 18%, you have to divide it into CGST and SGST. Next is on 18th of April received a bearer check of rupees 25,000 from Mr. Vikas. Okay, then on 21st April paid to Kiran by check of Dena Bank rupees 20,000. On 30 April paid salary 5,000. Now you have to prepare the journal. Okay, journal is what? How you will prepare? In the books of Narendra, journal with classification of account. Now this classification of account is not required. This is for only for your understanding purpose. But the journal will be in the books of Narendra, journal entry ऐसा आएगा. Date, particulars, types of account, LF, debit amount, क्रेडिट अमाउंट रुपीज़. सो ये जो टाइप्स ऑफ अकाउंट वाला जो कॉलम है, ये आप लोग जब फ्यूचर में जर्नल प्रिपेयर करोगे वो नहीं रहेगा. दिस इज ओनली फॉर योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग पर्पज. दे हैव इंक्लूडेड एक्स्ट्रा कॉलम सो दैट यू आर अंडरस्टूड विच आर द टाइप्स ऑफ अकाउंट. नाउ हमारा फर्स्ट क्या है? दे हैव स्टार्टेड द बिजनेस विथ कैश. सो हियर व्हाट यू विल राइट? ईयर 2019 अप्रैल 1. सो यहाँ पे क्या है? कैश अकाउंट डेबिट to capital account. So here when the business is started with cash, which are the two account that is affected? Cash account and your capital account, because cash is coming inside the business and owner is the giver of the cash. So when owners give cash, it is known as a capital account. So here it will be cash account debit to capital account. Cash is what? Your real account. Capital is what? Personal account. Okay. So here it is debit कितना करोगे? 80,000, because they have started a business with 80,000. To capital account in the credit column 80,000. Okay. So this is how your first journal entry is. Second journal is what? Purchase goods from Kiran of rupees 40,000 on credit. सो यहाँ पे एंट्री क्या होगी? व्हेन यू परचेज गुड्स, परचेज इज व्हाट? इज अ एक्सपेंस फॉर यू, एंड व्हाट हैपन्स हियर? कैश इज गोइंग आउट. बट व्हेन somebody's name is given, you should consider that person's name first. Okay, so here Kiran is the giver of the goods. When you purchase, the other person on your opposite side becomes the giver. So here Kiran is the giver of the goods. Okay, so purchase account debit to Kiran account. Okay, so purchases is what? It is an expense, so it is a nominal account, and Kiran is what? Personal account. Now what is the rule of nominal account? Debit all expenses and losses. That's why what we have done, we have debited purchase account over here. Okay, हम लोगों ने purchase account को debit किया. पर्सनल अकाउंट का रूल क्या है? डेबिट द रिसीवर, क्रेडिट द गिवर. तो यहाँ पे किरण क्या है? गिवर ऑफ द गुड्स. सो इन पर्सनल अकाउंट किरण इज द गिवर ऑफ द गुड्स. 40,000. इट शुड बी एग्जैक्टली इन द सेम लाइन. ओके, ये किरण अकाउंट का देखो एग्जैक्टली सेम लाइन. सो बीइंग टू परचेज गुड्स फ्रॉम किरण ऑन क्रेडिट. नेक्स्ट इज फिफ्थ 5th of April, what is done? Rent paid, okay, rupees 22,000. So here, which are the two accounts here? When you pay the rent, your cash is going out of the business, okay, and rent is a expense for you. So rent account debit to cash account. Rent account is a nominal account because it is an expense, okay, and cash is a real account. So what is the rule of nominal account? Debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. So when rent is an expense, we will debit it. Cash real account का rule क्या है? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So here our cash is going out of the business. So कैश को क्या करेंगे हम लोग? रियल अकाउंट में, बिकॉज इट इज़ योर कैश इज गोइंग आउट, सो वी विल क्रेडिट द कैश अकाउंट. सो रियल अकाउंट डेबिट 2000 टू कैश अकाउंट 2000. नरेशन क्या है? बीइंग पेड फॉर रेंट और बीइंग रेंट पेड, इट इज़ वन एंड द सेम. नरेशन इज simply the explanation, a brief explanation why you have passed the journal entry. Okay, आप लोगों ने journal entry क्यों पास किया, उसके लिए what you do, you write the narration, okay, and it will start with being word. Next is being goods sold to Vikas on credit. Okay, now here Vikas को हम लोगों ने क्या किया? We have sold goods to Vikas. So Vikas is the receiver of the goods and sales is a income for us. So Vikas मतलब it is a personal account. Okay, and what is the rule of personal account? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. So हमारा यहाँ पे receiver कौन है? Vikas. So we will debit Vikas account. And what sales is what? It is a nominal account. And what is the rule for nominal account? Debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. So sales क्या है हमारा? Gain है. So we will credit. So Vikas account debit 55,000 to sales account 55,000. नरेशन क्या आएगा? Being goods sold to Vikas on credit. Okay. Next on 15, purchase furniture at 18% GST. Okay. तो हमें क्या करना है? We have to calculate GST. So let's calculate GST. हमारा अमाउंट कितना है? 30,000. Sorry, let me make the screen small. हमारा अमाउंट कितना है? सॉरी हमारा अमाउंट है 30,000. वी हैव 30,000 and on that we are going to calculate 18% GST. Okay, so how much that GST will be calculated? 30,000 के अगर 80,000 निकाले तो it will be 3,000. It will be 5,400. Okay, now this 5,400 we have to divide by 2 because we are going to calculate CGST and SGST. So CGST will be 9% and SGST will be 9%. 18% is divided into two parts, equal two parts. Okay, so when you divide 5,400 by 2 you will get 2,700. So हमारा अमाउंट क्या होगा? 2,700 for CGST and SGST. Okay, so when you purchase, okay, your goods, that is furniture, is coming inside the business. Furniture क्या है? Real account है and it is coming inside the business. When something is coming inside the business, the rule for real account is debit what comes in. Okay, तो real account क्या है? Purchase account क्या है? Real account, and you will debit because furniture is coming inside the business. Now this GST when you pay, okay, when it is input GST मतलब when you purchase you have to pay off the taxes. So when you pay the taxes it is a expense for you, so it is a nominal account. When you consider expense it is a nominal account, और nominal account का rule क्या है? Debit all expenses and losses. So you will do what? Input CGST account debit 2700, input SGST account debit 2700. So 30,000 plus 2700, 2700. कैश कितना पे करेंगे हम लोग इंक्लूडिंग दिस बोथ, that is 35,400. Okay, so this is how you have to calculate CAGST, SGST and pass the journal entry. So it will be being purchased furniture rupees 18,000 at GST, sorry 18% at GST. Okay, next is here when you receive a bearer check. बेरर चेक मतलब इट इज़ लाइक अ कैश. ओके, बेरर चेक का मतलब है कैश, क्योंकि वेन एवर यू प्रेजेंट इट टू द बैंक यू विल गेट द कैश अमाउंट. सो इट विल बी कैश अकाउंट डेबिट to Vikas account. When cash is coming inside the business, what you will do? You will debit. Real account का rule क्या है? Debit what comes in. So cash is a real account and it is coming inside the business. So cash account debit 25,000, and who is the giver? Vikas is the giver of the cash, that is the bearer check. So to Vikas account 25,000. Personal account का rule क्या है? Debitor, receiver, creditor, giver. So Vikas is a giver over here. So being received a bearer check from Vikas. Next is Kiran account debit, sorry ये क्या है? Paid to Kiran by check. Okay, when you do the payment, what is happening here? By Dana Bank दिया हुआ है. So your bank name is given. So here Kiran is the receiver of the check and Dana Bank is the giver of the check. Okay, so here when you pay to someone, okay, that person becomes the receiver of the check. So here debit the receiver, credit the giver, and both Dana Bank and personal Dana Bank and Kiran account are both what? Personal account, and the rule is debit the receiver, credit the giver. So here Kiran is the receiver, so debit Kiran account 20,000 to Dana Bank account 20,000, being paid to Kiran by check. Okay, and the last one is paid salary. ओके, हम लोगों ने सैलरी पे की है. सो सैलरी अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश अकाउंट, बिकॉज सैलरी इज अ एक्सपेंस एंड नॉमिनल अकाउंट का रूल क्या है? डेबिट ऑल एक्सपेंसेस एंड लॉसेस. सो सैलरी अकाउंट डेबिट 5,000 टू कैश अकाउंट 5,000, because cash is a real account, cash is going out of the business. So credit what goes out of the business. So this is the rule of all the journal entries whatever are there, it will depend on the rule. Okay, so you should be very perfect with the rule, that is your debit and the credit rule of all personal account, real account and nominal account. बार बार वो practice करो and you will be perfect in your accounts. After all the entries are passed, you have to total your debit side and the credit side, and this both should be equal. Okay, ये जो है आप लोगों का टोटल, ये दोनों इक्वल रहने चाहिए, अदरवाइज देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम और अ मिस्टेक इन द जर्नल एंट्री. ओके, so here these entries are very very important. Okay, in the next class we will see the other different entries regarding discount, cash discount and the trade discount.